Okay, I'm going to show you what you do between race sessions. I just got off the track. Quickly, we're going to level the air pressures on all the tires to what we want, because you want them to be hot at that pressure. .2 degrees Celsius. Front's 21.7. Left, 22.3. So you 22. So you can see which tire is working the hardest. It's the back right tire is working harder. So when you go around and you do all the air pressures, you're actually setting all the pressures to the same, which means that if the tires cool off, the air pressure on this one tire here is going to be lower than all the others. So when I go back on the track next time, for the first lap or two, this tire is going to be a little under pressure, and then it'll come up, it'll be fine. So now we're going to do the chain. This is the chain lube we use at our track. Check with your guys, they may have something they'll recommend. Just a quick spray on the rotating elements, spin the chain around and get everything covered nice and wet. Fuel your tank up to the marks where you've pre-selected your fuel level. I'll show you a little bit about the gas. So you should make a mark on your fuel tank. And so you can see on this fuel tank here, there's different reference lines. You have the bottom, there's the top of this neck. I've got a pen mark right there. There's a small pen mark. There's this little shape here. And so you're gonna have to pick some geometry on your tank or make a mark. And you wanna fill your tank to that line every single time. You can adjust that line up or down based on how heavy you are or how many McDonald's burgers you've had to eat. Right now I am 6 pounds overweight for my class, so I'm about 400 to 401 pounds. My class is 395. But I can't take any weight off the cart because there's nothing to take off. It's no ballast. So I just have to lose some weight. So my wife is happy about that. So she says I have to go on a diet. So so be it. I'm on a diet. Yeah. So once you know your weights, then you can put the same amount of fuel in. So your weights are actually exactly within about a pound. You can get it pretty accurate within about a pound on the scales. Just to give you guys an example, 30 pounds is about a second and a half on the track. So if I'm 6 pounds over, that's, you can do the math on that. That's, you know, a few tenths of a second. So it adds up. And then we're gonna go do a bolt check. Okay, so I'll quickly show you the ones I check all the time. I try to check these guys to make sure they're nice and tight. I look to make sure the axle hasn't moved. And then these little cassette bearings here, you can see those little, I don't know if I can get you there. So you see that little bolt there? I gotta point at it correctly. This is hard. There. See that little guy there? Those guys always come loose. And then check your bumper bolts, because the bumpers always come loose. Well, not mine don't, but like for other people they usually do. And that's it. Yeah, okay, so after the track, it takes about 5 minutes to get the cart ready for the next session. That's assuming no repairs, no nothing. That's just getting the cart ready. And remember, do your tires when they're hot so the pressures are all equalized while they're warm, not while they're cold. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the track.